So no pain, no gain. I work with a lot of people, one-on-one, privately. I also teach a lot of content. I teach a lot of classes, a lot of free events. I have a lot of recorded content where I'm teaching authentic human biomechanics. And I wanted to comment this week in the Friday Value video on no pain, no gain. What happens is people think it's okay that it hurts, or it's supposed to hurt, or if they really work at it, it's going to stop hurting. It's all just a lie from the pit of hell. It's not true. When you're attempting to rehab a body part, when you're attempting to restore motion or function that is lacking or impaired or has a deficit, if you're eliciting pain repetitively, what happens is your brain says, that hurts. How can we accomplish the movement that this person is thinking of accomplishing and not have it hurt or hurt less? So your brain is just going 240 trying to figure out how to move your body using different muscles, different pathways, different biomechanics to make it stop hurting or make it hurt less. So what you're actually doing is you're training in dysfunction. That's not the goal. The goal is to restore function, optimal function, using the right muscles, the right pathways, the right way, with the right timing. So if it's hurting, don't do it. Okay? It's a warning sign. Now, if you just had surgery, you just had a total joint replacement, and you have to start walking again, it's going to hurt. That's not what I'm talking about here, right? If you're post-surgical, if you really had a serious injury, you're going to have some pain when you get moving. But the goal with restoring biomechanics, with restoring the function of a body part, is not to elicit pain repetitively. Also, you may need to work in an area that's not where you're experiencing pain to resolve the problem. You might want to read my book, Pain Culprits, in case you haven't, because a lot of the times it's not the body part that's experiencing pain that has the biomechanic issue. A lot of the times it's another body part that's above it or below it that's not working right. Okay? So please throw that no pain, no gain thing right out the window. When it comes to learning how to move without pain, the repetitions need to be painless. They need to be successful. You need to feel competent and confident in the movement, and then you can build on that success. And that's what resolves pain. I hope this helped. I'll see you next week.